Hey everybody, in this video we're going to talk about graphing a linear inequality in the plane standard form. This is very similar to graphing an inequality in y equals mx plus b form, but all we have to do now is get this into the correct form. And we do that by adding x to both sides, so we get 2y is less than or equal to 2 plus x. And then we can divide everything, both sides, by 2. So we get y is less than or equal to 1 plus 1/2 x. So we have a y-intercept of 1 and a slope of up 1 and over 2, and we draw our line here. One word of caution: if we do end up having to divide by a negative, what happens to the inequality sign is it's going to flip. Okay? Here with this equation, this symbol indicates a solid line, which I have here, and it indicates below. So I'm going to shade underneath my solid boundary line like this. And the shaded portion and the line end up being my solution area for this inequality. So every point on the line or under the line is going to satisfy this equation. Let's test a point. Let's test the point 0, 0. That looks like it's going to be in my solution area. So, is negative 0 plus 2 times 0 less than or equal to 2? Well, this comes out to be 0 plus 0, which is 0. Less than or equal to 2? Check. Yes. So, 0, 0 was a solution. It worked for my inequality, so I know I shaded my area correctly. And that's how you graph inequalities that are in standard form.